How to make your TikTok reposts private. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make your reposts private on TikTok. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything important. Let's get started. Now let's start by opening the TikTok app on your iPhone or Android. Once the app is open, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner to go to your profile page. On your profile, you'll see a small icon that looks like two arrows. This is where all of your reposted videos live, so go ahead and tap on that. Here, you'll see every video you've reposted on TikTok. The important thing to know is that these reposts are visible to anyone who visits your profile by default. There isn't a separate toggle that lets you hide reposts only, so let me show you the only option TikTok currently gives us. From your profile page, tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Once you're inside the settings page, tap on Privacy, which is near the top. You'll see a lot of privacy options here, but you'll notice there's no specific setting to make reposts private by themselves. The only way to hide your reposts is to make your entire TikTok account private. To do that, turn on the Private Account option. Once your account is private, people who don't follow you won't be able to view your profile, your videos, or your reposts. If someone wants to follow you, you'll need to approve their request first. Just keep in mind that anyone who already follows you will still be able to see your reposts, and there's currently no way to hide reposts from existing followers only. So for now, this is the only method TikTok offers to make reposts private. And that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick TikTok tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.